So as we saw earlier on, you specify the center point of the circle and then its radius in meters. So here you can say I've set the dot center of my circle. I just call map.addCircle a new circle options, and I set its center to be Renton. And Renton, of course, is the latitude and longitude that we created earlier for the location of the rink in Renton. I set a radius of 5,000, which means a 5 kilometer radius around the rink in Renton. I've set the stroke color, which is the diameter of the circle will be drawn in this color, color.green. And then I've set using a fill color, using color.argb. And you see I've set the A to be 64, which means it's going to be semi-transparent. It's going to be slightly translucent. So we can see the color, the 02550, which is going to be green, but it's a partially transparent green. Now when I run the app, I'll actually see the circle projected properly, including taking into account the tilt and zoom of the camera, and it'll be drawn on the surface of the Earth. Let's take a look at that. So here you can see it. I have my green circle and my semi-translucent one. So as I zoom in, we'll see that my stroke is green. You'll see that my circle is 5 kilometer radius around the Renton ice rink. And because I've colored it with translucency, we can actually see through to the map underneath. And also because my camera is tilted a little bit, we can see that it's slightly oval in shape. I'm not looking straight down at 90 degrees to make it a circle. I'm tilted a little bit because I'm looking somewhat up from the horizon direction towards the Earth and this part of Seattle. So there we can see it. The circle was added. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple, right? Of course, if I rotate my map, the circle rotates with me. So it's all properly calculated for me and all properly drawn as a 5 kilometer radius circle around my home rink in Renton.